Hello, welcome to Coding Sunday. Today we're going to look at list, tuple, and dictionary. So list basically contains list of elements. So we say list1 is equal to say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and also contains a string. So basically list can contain different types of data. It even can contain floats. Okay, so once you declare this, if we need to print this, we can just say print list1. It will contain this all of the elements. If you only want first element, you can say list and 0, because in computer language you always start with the 0. So it contains like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 elements. If you want the last element of this list, you need to type list of 8, list element number 8, and it will give me the last element, total elements minus 1. So yeah, the same way there's a tuple. Tuple also contains same data structure. It can contain complex data structure as well, like hello. It can contain string. So tuple can contain strings, integers, and even floats, but you cannot add elements to tuple. That's why tuple are immutable. Whereas in a list, if you want to increase this list, you can say list dot append, and you can say if I want to add like a string world, and if I press the last added world inside of this, for the sake of simplicity, let's just type 9th element and it will give me world. Okay, got it? So you can basically extend the list, but you cannot extend or delete elements from tuple. That's why it's called immutable. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now let's go to dictionary. So dictionary 1, say it contains key and value pairs. So name, and name, say for example Tim, say year, and say 1998, and say location be USA. Okay, so this contains key and value pair. If I need to print this dictionary, you can say print dictionary 1. It give me this dictionary. Okay, so after printing you get this dictionary. If I want only one element from this dictionary, you can say dictionary 1, and inside this square bracket I can type the name of a key. So the name, I'll get Tim. If I want location of this dictionary's element, I will type location, give you this location. Okay, and thank you for watching.